Hello students, good afternoon to all of you students.
Good afternoon, sir.
Yes, welcome to
Good
this
afternoon, sir.
online counseling. And I have a request to all of you before I start. Please keep your mic on mute. You can open up your cameras so that we can see you. Whenever you want to speak, you can make your camera on, and I would like to request everybody, just give me a brief introduction about you, like alphabetical order, who is in the top. Just tell your name and from which school you are coming. Then you switch up your mic. Starting from Abdul Qadir Jilani, you can start.
Good afternoon, sir. My name is Abdul Qadir Jilani. I belongs to Oil India High Secondary, Duliajan.
Yes. Abhay Pal.
My name is Abhay Paul. I am from All India High Secondary School, Duliajan.
Very good. Welcome, Abhay. Abhijit Barua.
I am from Good afternoon, son. All India High Secondary School, Dudiajan.
Good. Abhinav Bora.
Good morning, sir. Good evening, sir. I am Avinash Bora from All High Secondary School.
Very good. Abhipriya Nandi.
Good evening, sir. I am from Delhi Public School, Duliajan.
Very good. Achal Mahato.
Good evening, sir. I'm Ajal Mahato from Duliajan College.
Okay. Alex Ronan.
Sir, good evening. Sir, my name is Alex Rong. I am from Duliajan College.
Very good. Ankit Rai.
Good evening, sir. My name is Aniket Rai and I'm from All India High Secondary School.
Very good, Aniket. Anish Barua.
Hello, sir. I am Anish Bora. I am from DPS Duliajan.
Yes. Anu Gupta.
Good evening, sir. My name is Anu Gupta and I am from All High Secondary School.
Bhaskar Bora. Bhaskar is there. Please speak on. Okay. Darshan Das. Darsana Das.
Good evening, sir. Sir, I am currently pursuing my BCom first SEM from DHSK Commerce College, Dibrugarh.
Very good. And Deepmoy Singh.
Good evening, sir. Myself, Deepmoy Singh, and I'm from DPS Duliajan.
Yes, very good. Gayatri Chakraborty.
Good evening, sir. I am Gayatri Chakraborty and I am from Duliajan College.
Very good. Haripada Paul.
Good evening, sir. My name is Miss Megha Paul and I am from All India High Secondary School, Duliajan.
Okay, very nice. Isha Deka.
Good evening, sir. My name is Isha Deka. I am from Gyan Vigyan Academy, Dibrugarh.
Oh, very nice. Janmoni Mech.
Good evening, sir. I am from All HS Duliajan.
Okay, Janmoni. Jyoti Gogoi.
Good evening, sir. My name is Jyoti Gogoi from Duliajan College.
Very nice. Usmita Das.
Good evening, sir. I am Kusumita Das from DPS Duliajan.
Mohit Thakur.
Good evening, sir. My name is Mohit Thakur. I am from Duliajan HS School.
Okay. Murtuja Ali. Yes, Murtuja, can you speak? Okay, Muskan Begum. Muskan. Okay, Neha Kumari.
Good evening, sir. My name is Neha Kumari and I am from Kendriya Vidyalaya, Duliajan.
Very good, Neha. And Nilambar Saikia.
Good evening, sir. My name is Munvi Sakia and I am from All High Secondary School, Duliajan.
Very nice. Nitisha Barua.
Hello, sir. My name is Nitisha Borwa, and I'm from All India High Secondary School, Duliajan.
Okay. Parsu Thapa.
Good evening, sir. I'm Pusham Thapa and I'm from DPS Duliajan.
Payal Dum.
Good evening, sir. My name is Payal Dum. I am from Duliajan College.
Very nice. Pranabjyoti Barua.
Good evening, sir. My name is Vikas Barua. I am from All India High Secondary School.
Okay. Pratyush Pathak.
Good evening, sir. I'm Pratish Pathak from DPS Duliajan.
Yes, very nice. Raj Verma.
Sir, my name is Raj Verma and I am from All High Secondary.
Very nice. Rishabh Mahanta. Rishabh is there. Dipandita, can you please mute your mic? Okay.
Good evening, sir. I am Dipanda Hazarika from All India High Secondary School, Duliajan.
Okay, nice. Sangeeta Chetty.
Good evening, sir. My name is Sangeeta Chetri and I'm from All India High Secondary School.
Okay. Sarada Kumar.
Good evening, sir. I am Sagar Poy. I am from All High Secondary School, Duliajan.
Sibanga Devnath.
Good evening, sir. My name is Shivango Devnath and I am from All India High Secondary School.
Shreya Jitani.
Good evening, sir. Myself Shreya Jitani from DPS Duliajan.
Shruti Verma.
Sir, my name is Shruti Verma from All High Secondary.
Yes. Saurabh Thapa.
Good evening, sir. I'm Saurabh Thapa from All India High Secondary Duliajan.
Okay. Sunaina Pradhan.
Good evening, sir. Myself, Naina Pradhan from TPS Duliajan.
Okay. Tapan Lama.
Good evening, sir. My name is Tapan Lama. I am from Duliajan All India High Secondary School.
Okay. So, Tilok Chetri.
Good evening, sir. My name is Tilak Shetty. I am from All High Secondary School, Duliajan.
So now since we have all just united around 50 of us, we have assembly here to have a career counseling. Before we start the counseling, I will request everybody just for 1 minute you can see our Institute's anthem. Okay, I'll just present the Institute anthem.
असतो मा सद्गमया तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमया मृत्योर्मामृतं गमया मा सद्गमया तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमया मृत्योर्मामृतं गमया असतो मा सद्गमया तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमया मृत्योर्मामृतं गमया ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्ति.
So students, with a note of prayer, we will discuss something very useful for our life. So as you all have come from Dibrugarh, Tinsukia and all the local high schools and colleges, you may be interested to know about CMA. Many of you might have by this time know that Cost and Management Accountants Duliajan chapter. It was established in 2017, and since then we have been doing great efforts in bringing out the message of CMA to every one of you. Why I am interested to especially call these 12 students and become students, that after 12th you have got a very good opportunity to join the course CMA. CMA is known as the Cost and Management Accountant Institute of Cost and Management Accountants. This institute gives a very powerful profession known as CMA. After you qualify this course, you can go to join any highest profession. So I have a small documentary of 10 minutes. I want everyone to see this movie for 10 minutes. Then we will start our counseling. Okay.
Welcome to the world of cost and management accountants, professionals who contribute towards serving the society and help us appreciate the cost-effective benefits even being in this competitive world of business. The Institute of Cost Accountants of India is the largest management accounting body in Asia and the second largest management accounting body in the world. As we take you through the dream journey towards CMA excellence, let us all begin by praying to the Almighty as we have gathered here for our parents, guardians, teachers, and let their love, affection, and blessings be bestowed upon us. We owe our parents this life and are indebted to our teachers for their valuable guidance and immense contribution in shaping our career path ahead. Their love, affection, and blessings are essentially our capital, which needs to be effectively utilized to create assets. So, how do we show our love for them and make a tribute? In other words, how do we create assets? Yes, by being successful in life. Success. How do we measure success? Is it accumulation of financial wealth, intellectual capital, or is it being a good human being? Or all of these? Your journey towards a successful career begins here. Here you become a decision maker, a strategic decision maker, the decision that will shape your career and life ahead. This decision of yours makes them proud. Love, affection, and blessings of our parents cannot be measured in terms of money. We cannot put a price tag on love and affection. We can only ascertain the price of any tangible gift that we receive from them. Let us take the example of a storybook. It has a price, but we cannot ascertain its value because a storybook offers you more. A storybook lets you achieve proper exposure to a vast knowledge, acquaints you to phrases, words, and new ideas in order to sharpen your communication skills and acumen. The same goes for your textbooks. They come at a price, the one that you pay for. But can we ascertain their value? No, we cannot. Because the knowledge from these books enrich our intellectual capital and guide our life ahead. If you were to buy those in reality, would you feel that the price charged to you can range from low to affordable to high? You would, wouldn't you? But have you ever wondered, what is the cost of producing the gift or the storybook or those textbooks or cost of rendering service? Have you estimated the cost of the cell phone handsets which you may be using? Remember, what you pay is the price and what the manufacturers spend to make it is the cost. How do they estimate cost? How do they measure their profits? There is a revolution in communication and transmission which has helped us come together. What is the cost of such connectivity? The world is a global village, and we are now connected to each other by the web. But that connectivity too comes at a cost. So how do the service providers make an offer? Those lucrative offers at such attractive and affordable cost? What is the key to estimate the cost of those familiar telephone call charges per minute or per second or SMS pack? Or how do they decide on sales promotion offers like buy two and get one for free, or buy a burger and get another burger for free, and so on? Every businessman ascertains costs in their own way, even if they are not CMAs. But to calculate cost in a uniformly acceptable manner, we must enrich ourselves with the required knowledge, the specialized knowledge of cost and management accountancy. Ascertaining proper cost helps businessmen to fix the price of goods and services. CMAs are the only skilled professionals who can manage resources, men, funds, and business processes for sustainable growth and expansion of business. Being a CMA can increase your potential to generate employment opportunities and serve the social and national interest at large. As a CMA, you will have the opportunity to play a crucial role in the society for the stakeholders, customers, businessmen, government, shareholders, employees, financial institutions, and all others in the value chain, including you. A CMA can eventually earn recognition and respect as a strategic thinker and a technology accountant. So, every business, every organization has to ascertain cost scientifically, and there is a need for CMA to perform this specialized job. So, be a CMA and participate in contributing to value creation for business, society, and the nation. Every business needs to ascertain cost, and for doing that needs CMAs. Be a CMA and grab this wide area of opportunity. The journey of becoming a CMA. For 10+ students or undergraduates, there are Foundation, Intermediate, and Final course. For graduates, Intermediate and Final course. The CMA Advantage. The 10+ students can avail this very special CMA Advantage. This will empower them to stay ahead in the competition of today's world. The advantage at length. Pursue the CMA Foundation course along with your 10+2 studies. The CMA Foundation course has 4 subjects: Economics and Management, Accounting, Law and Mathematics and Statistics. The subjects are aligned with the 10+2 curriculum Pan-India. You have at least 3 subjects in common along with your 10+2 curriculum. There are about 2,000 PPTs demonstrating 4 papers, topic-wise detailed presentation for your self-learning. 24/7 online mock test papers for all subjects are available for you to achieve effective and examination-oriented preparation. Foundation examinations are held 4 times a year via online mode, and that's an added convenience. Each paper is examined on 50 marks. This is just the tip of the iceberg. So what's more in store for you? Simply calculate the following benefits that will propel you to a brighter career path. Immediately after qualifying in the Foundation examination, you can register for the CMA Intermediate course. This will give you at least 3 extra years of time as compared to any other graduate. The 3 years will translate into more benefits even if you choose the path of employment. Extra benefits such as socially, 3 more years of service or in practice, besides the comfort of achieving or fulfilling other needs, dreams and desires. Financially, that's 3 more years of additional earning. Just imagine a situation when you're, say, 23 or 24 years of age and you're beginning to earn at a starting pay package of rupees 10 lakhs per annum. In that regard, when you turn 60, assuming on a very conservative note, your salary would be around 60 lakhs per annum. You may gain 1.8 crores for your retirement corpus, which is equal to rupees 60 lakhs per annum, multiplied by 3 years. Napoleon once said, "Nothing is more difficult, and therefore more precious, than to be able to decide. Decide now. You are your best judge. Ask yourself, do you want to gain more in life? Do you want your earnings to continue beyond 60 years of age? If the answer is yes to both, then being a CMA is the right decision. As a CMA, you gain earning potential and remain employable as long as you want. You can join the private or public sectors, or even start your own independent practice in the field of management consultancy, finance, taxation, accounting, auditing, and advisors for insurance, banking, and electricity sectors. CMA has a globally recognized curriculum. You can avail the benefits to acquire reciprocal membership with management accounting boards of repute across the globe. CMA course structure for intermediate and finals. There are 8 papers each in the intermediate and final course, with training on computer, communication and soft skills, and industry orientation. This is done in order to improve your employability and make you industry ready. We expose you to gain industry experience, where the theory of cost and management accountancy meets practice and reality. Our state-of-the-art course enables learning from the basics to the proficiency level of cost and management accountancy. We offer 24/7 web-based training facilities. You probably have started thinking about the cost of becoming a cost and management accountant. The cost for pursuing the CMA Foundation course is probably less than the cost of a standard cell phone or the cost of your best attire. The total fee of the intermediate and final course is even less than the yearly interest cost on education loans taken for any other course. However, this flexible investment is spread in 2 phases, one at the intermediate course and the other when the final course commences. There's a minimum time gap of 1 year between the two. Affordable investments are aimed to fulfill the wishes of your parents and transform your dream career into reality. Lifelong employability is assured on successful completion of the course. Financial assistance and scholarships are offered for pursuing the CMA course to meritorious students, with special reservation for female students, SC or ST students, and differently abled students. The CMA synopsis: CMAs contribute in making legitimate business profits. Behind every successful business decision, there is always a CMA. Sail through this eventful and challenging journey of becoming something more, from ledgers in business to leaders of business. So, during the journey of your life, you can enrich your intellectual capital, accumulate financial wealth. Besides being a good human being, a firm strategic decision maker, respected and honored by all. There you reach success. Catch the CMA buzz now to fulfill your dream career and gain the CMA advantage to your credit. CMA, the eGen Management Accountants.
So students, you have seen the movie. This has given you some insight about the CMA, this profession of CMA, and how it helps in bringing your career. Throughout your life, you will have a earning potential if you do this wonderful course CMA. I want to tell you about CMA that this course, if you do, first of all, this course is a government course. Many of you may not be knowing. Government of India, by an enactment in the Parliament, they have passed this act. Under this act, this Institute of Cost and Management Accountants has been created along with other institutes like Institute of Chartered Accountants, Institute of Cost and Management Accountants, and another Institute of Company Secretary. These 3 are the best institutes in commerce. This is similar to Chartered Accountancy, but it is a specialized course which is giving more importance to management and cost control. Whereas Chartered Accountancy, it is a course which is giving importance to financial preparation of financial reports. If you do CMA, you can work in any manufacturing unit as a cost accountant, or in any of the business organizations as a finance officer. Like somebody, if you want to join in any PSU today, they have to be either CA or CMA. Even MBAs are not allowed. They are not at par with CA and CMA. For joining in any PSU, what you have to do is you have to qualify CMA and directly you enroll yourself as the officers in the company. I tell you, for example, I am working in Oil India today, but 30 years back I had qualified my CMA and I joined in a government company as a management trainee. Since then my career has grown and today I am in Oil India and my gross salary is around 3 lakh plus. This is the power of CMA. Why I am telling you, many students, they do the mistake of not going for any professional course after their plus 2 and after their graduations. Like after plus 2 they go for graduations, after graduations they go for post graduations, and by the time they are already 25 years of age and they don't have any jobs in hand, they go for PhD. Ultimately they look for some jobs in some universities or colleges. If they get a job as a lecturer also, they are happy, they are settling their life. But if you do this professional course, this will give you a very powerful tool in your hand. This tool will give you directly the corporate jobs, or you can practice as a cost accountant and you start earning at a very early age of life. Like you will start earning minimum, I am telling, if somebody is joining in Oil India Limited as a finance officer at the age of 23, 24, he will be getting a salary of minimum 1.5 lakhs. Just imagine, today you are MCOM, you are struggling for a job, you have put a lot of efforts for doing your graduation and MCOM, you go to search a job, you will find thousands of students are already in the queue, you do not have a chance. Even if you get a chance also, your salary may be 15,000, 20,000 per month. To keep you different from this crowd, what you have to do is, you have to do something professionally extraordinary than a normal person. That is why we have tried our best that especially in this region of this Upper Assam, students are not getting any facilities to do this course. So we have requested our institute, and we are lucky enough that we have been given as a status of a chapter. So all the facilities of a chapter you people can avail sitting in Duliajan itself. Duliajan chapter, it was established with great efforts from all the cost accountants in and around Duliajan, and in 2017 we become a chapter. Since then we have been continuously taking students into our admissions. We are giving them coaching, we are giving them we are making them orientation, like you saw in the movie. We are orienting them how to get a job. We are also making them cost trainees, like we tell them, send them to different industries to get industry exposures. And very interesting thing is that in the time of their studies, they are going to work in the industry as a cost trainee, and they get very good stipend, like first year 10,000 rupees, second year 15,000 rupees, 12,000 rupees, third year 15,000 rupees. So in course of your student life, you can also earn some money to support your family expenses. This is the beauty of this course. Why I am telling you, all of you now, because you are all studying in 12th. Maybe in the month of March you will be writing your final exams, and we have the admissions open now. If you students join now, just do the registration, and after your main exam is over, like in March your exams are over, then we will take your classes for 1 or 2 months. Just 2 months for foundation, it is sufficient. Then in the month of June you can write your foundation exam. Without wasting any time, you can become ready by December and join the main course for the December batch. This course has been very successful here in Duliajan. We have also exam center here in Duliajan, like those students who enroll for CMA, they need not have to go outside. They will be writing the exams in Duliajan College, here in Duliajan, so that they avoid spending any expenditure or they have any mental stress. Nothing is there. Just you study here, come to Duliajan College for exams and become a CMA here itself. I was telling about the course fee. The course fee, if I tell, you may not believe that this is a course fee. It is as good as a free education, because it is a Government of India sponsor, and we all are doing honorary job to promote this course. It is possible to give you this course. In any part of India it is fixed, that is foundation it is 4,000 rupees, intermediate it is 20,000 rupees. But as a special package for the students like you, we have fought with the institute and we have managed that you all should be given a very special fees, and it is very, very cheapest. You will never find such a cheap course in anywhere in the world. Only 1,000 rupees the fees for foundation course, and 5,000 rupees. I am repeating it again, 1,000 rupees for foundation and 5,000 rupees for the entire 2 groups of intermediate, that is group 1 and group 2, 8 papers in intermediate. You will be paying only 5,000 rupees. So that is the beauty of the course. This information I want to pass all of you, because this special fees concession is given only for a few time. Coming to our chapter's credential, I will tell you, we are blessed with a lot of potential faculties our chapter is having. Oil India is having very, very specialized faculties like chartered accountants, cost accountants, company secretaries. Those who are highest qualified in the field of commerce. Company has taken at a very young age, they have been recruited here. So we have the opportunity to take the help from them to teach our students only from people who have already qualified. So they know how to teach and how to qualify the students. So students will not have to have any fear for their performance. If they just blindly follow what we are talking, what we are teaching, without any disturbance, any trouble, they will qualify the course. In all India level, the results may be around 12% to 15%, but in our chapter, intermediate result is around 40%, foundation result last batch was 100%. This is a very great achievement. We had 25 students, all the 25 students qualified, and in intermediate it was 40%, around 25 students appeared and 11-12 students they qualified. So far we have got around 20 plus intermediate qualified, that is halfway they have completed. One student, he is proud of our student, he is Mr. Chiranjit Chaudhary. He qualified CMA from this chapter after joining this chapter. He is a rank holder, All India 35th rank Mr. Chiranjit had got, and today I requested him to come to share his thoughts, but due to his preoccupation he could not join the council session. But he has a message for all of you. I want to just you listen 2 minutes about the message from Mr. Chiranjit. He is the first CMA of Duliajan chapter who qualified intermediate in All India 35th rank and who completed this course in less than 3 years, 2.5 years. He completed this course. CMA Chiranjit Chaudhary. I will just put him.
Hello friends, myself Chiranjit Chaudhary, and today I am here to talk about my journey of becoming a CMA. It all started in the year 2017 when the Duliajan chapter started. Initially I was a bit confused because earlier what used to happen is that people used to go to Guwahati for appearing the exams, but now we have our own examination center right here in Duliajan. I feel that this has motivated a lot of people, including me personally, to pursue this course and to appear for the exam. I appeared for intermediate in June 2018 term. I cleared both the groups in that attempt. Then I appeared for final group 3 and group 4 in June and December 2019 term, and I cleared both the groups in consecutive attempts. For this, I would like to thank the faculty members of Dulyazan chapter who were very supportive and have always motivated me to complete this course, to pursue this course. Thank you very much to the faculty members of the Dulyazan chapter especially. See, I strongly believe that whenever you are doing something or studying, your primary focus should be to learn something new. You should not bother much about result. You just try to give your 100%. You may either succeed or you may fail, but you'll fail yourself when you fail to give your 100%. So try to give your 100% to the work or to the study that you're doing. Now the question which comes to our mind is that why should we go for this course? See, in this today's corporate world, an accountant's job is just not limited to bookkeeping. An accountant has to be dynamic enough, he has to be analytical enough, and this course helps you to develop an analytical mind, which ultimately helps you to take decisions in the corporate sector and helps you to survive in the corporate sector. And from employment perspective, if I say, once you become CMA, you can start up your own firm or you can enter the corporate sector. It is up to you. Lastly, I would like to say that if you're really interested, you can give this course a shot. So thank you very much for having patience and listening to me. Thank you. Have a good day.
So you heard Mr. Chiranjit. Okay, he has completed intermediate with the pride. Now I will introduce one more successful story of Dulyazan chapter. Like you, one day she took a initiative to join this course when she was pursuing her BCom in Dulyazan College. When we started this foundation classes, we approached her, and initially she was a little nervous whether she can do this course along with BCom. Then we have given her support, confidence, and she had a trust on Dulyazan chapter. She had a trust on CMA. Then she joined this course along with her BCom, and today her BCom exam is going on. 6th semester is not yet over, but today I am happy to announce to all of you that she has already completed intermediate course and she is in the finals. One more thing I also want to tell you that because of her achievements, her efforts, she has been selected as a course training in Oil India, and from 1st October she has joined in Oil India as a course trainee and getting a stipend of 10,000 rupees per month. So now I will request Tanushree Roy to come and say about her experience in few lines.
Thank you, sir. Once a great person said, have the courage to follow your dreams, follow your heart. They know the way. Hello everyone, I Tanushree Roy, a student of CMA Dulyazan chapter. I started my CMA journey when I was pursuing my graduation. I have cleared my foundation in intermediate in first attempt itself. For all this, the credit goes to our wonderful teachers, faculty. The teachers here are very humble and are always ready to help. They are one who gave the wings to my dreams, and I really feel blessed to have them as my teacher. Recently, I have joined in as a trainee under the All India Limited as course trainee. I would like to suggest those who are planning to pursue CMA, it's just the right platform to shape your dreams. And don't be afraid to follow your dreams. In fact, pursuing CMA is not that tough, but yes, it's a bit challenging. CMA is not that tough. We have very efficient faculty of experts on various fields of education, so we'll help you to overcome all your challenges and hurdles. So come and be a part of CMA Dulyazan chapter. Thank you.
Very good. So well done, Tanushree. So this is a success story, and luckily she is asked to tell you. We have many more success stories yet to come, and I am expecting out of these 45 students joined today, there will be many successful cost accountants coming out in and around Dulyazan and nearby districts. So on this occasion, I have our very young and dynamic faculty, Mr. Janu Bora. I want to introduce him. He is a company secretary by profession, and he is our law faculty. Please listen from him, Mr. Janu Bora. Please.
Thank you, sir. First of all, good evening to everyone. And I can see there are about 40 plus students joining this live counseling session. And as the sir already have told about the course structure, and the base part of this course is that minimum investment and no limit in return. This means maximum of maximum return. So in today's world, we just want to invest as minimum as possible, but we also expect that maximum return should come to our pocket. So having said that, earlier what used to happen is that to pursue this course, including CMA, CA or CS, somebody have to go to either Delhi or Kolkata and take some coachings there and have to get a rented flat. So it was a bit expensive. But with the intervention of All India Limited and other corporate sectors and other corporate companies here in Duliajan, in and around Duliajan, a new chapter was formed in Duliajan, and since the inception, day by day, this chapter is reaching its heights. And few minutes back, you have heard Mr. Chiranjeev Chaudhary, who is the first CMA and also All India ranking 35 All India ranking. And after that, you have heard Ms. Tanushree Roy. She is the first student of this chapter, and before completion of her graduation, she have completed the intermediate course, intermediate stage, and now she is pursuing final, and she will be appearing the final examination. And based on all these things, the faculties, as far as faculties are concerned, more or less all the faculties are from Duliajan, and they are working in Duliajan, and all the faculties are professionally qualified. Professionally qualified here means either they are chartered accountants or CMAs or company secretary. And I, being a company secretary, law faculty, is a law faculty both in foundation as well as intermediate stage since 2017 only. And the base part for me is that I get students from this part of India, and this part of India, it means I can tell them those laws either in English or in Assamese or in Hindi. So if you go to the outside of Assam, you will get either in English or Hindi. So for me to communicate in this regional language, it's better for me, and also it's very easier for the students to understand if they feel that English or Hindi is not getting into their mind. But when I use Assamese, so that thing helps for the student also. And regarding the other faculties, they are also quite experienced, and the result pass percentage that sir have already told that All India pass percentage is around 6 to 7%, whereas in our chapter the pass percentage is around 40%. In fact, in the last foundation exam it was 100% in case of foundation exam. So I believe there is no other chapter in the whole of India where the pass percentage is around 40% in case of intermediate or 100% in case of foundation. So you can Google it out, and it's not that we are just praising ourselves. It's not that you just go and check what is available with Google and go to the authenticate website. They'll tell that 100% result in case of foundation and 40%. And it may feel that 40% is less, but comparing to the All India average, where the All India average is 6% or 8%, it does not go to double-digit figure.
Now it has gone to 10-12%.
10-12%. But now we have where the percentage is 10-12%, but we are around 40%. So this course, I feel that you people are a bit lucky that at doorstep at your own place you are getting a course like this, and you are getting a chapter like this. And the best part is you don't have to go to some other city and stay there and give the examination. We have arranged the examination center in Duliajan College. So from your own place only you can go and give the exam and give a good shot. আৰু যদি মই আৰু ক'ব যাওঁ এই চেপ্টাৰত এনেকুৱা মানুহৰ দান বৰঙণি আছে যি জড়িত হৈ আছে, সেই গোটেইকেইজন ব্যক্তি এজন উচ্চ পদস্থ বিষয়া হয় আমাৰ অল ইণ্ডিয়া লিমিটেড বা গ্ৰেছ কোম্পানী লিমিটেড বা নামৰ পৰা এপিএল হওক বা নিকো কোম্পানী হওক। সেই উচ্চ পদস্থ বিষয়া নিজৰ কৰ্মজীৱনৰ ব্যস্ততাৰ মাজতো নিজৰ মূল্যৱান সময় এই চেপ্টাৰত দিছে। আৰু সেই কাৰণে কি জান ভগৱানৰ আশীৰ্বাদত এই চেপ্টাৰ আজি ইমান এটা ভাল এটা পজিশ্যন পাইছে। আৰু প্ৰায়ভাগ ফেকাল্টি লোকেল লেংগুৱেজত ইকুইপড হয়। চ' যদিও কাৰোবাৰ হিন্দী বা ইংলিছ লৈ কিবা যদি মনত কিবা সংকোচ হৈ থাকে তাত কোনো ধৰণৰ ভাবিবলগীয়া নাই। আৰু বাট আই অলৱেজ বিলিভ to use the most commonly used language, that is English. But as far as understanding are concerned, অসমীয়াটো যদি কোনোবাই বুজি পায় সেইটো বস্তু ইংলিছত গৈ এক্সামত লিখিব পাৰিব, তাত কোনো ধৰণৰ বাধা নাই। আৰু in this pandemic time ঘৰতে বহি কম সময়ত আৰু কম খৰচত ইয়াতকৈ ভাল কোৰ্স নহব for the commerce students basically for the commerce students. Even science students can also do that. Like for science students have to go to laboratory. But even science students also can pursue this. So now if they go for the laboratory thing, they don't have, if they go for CMA thing, they will go to the laboratory. No need. Yes. At home, by sitting at home, you can just pursue this course. And since last 2 sessions we are taking online course only, so no need to worry about coming and in this pandemic time, and you can sit at your own place and just give it 3 hours in a day for the coaching and just revise it for the next 3-4 hours. And the base course that is available at present by sitting at home, and as I have already told, investment is very minimum and maximum return you cannot think of. If you just clear your this professional course, if you go for your own practice, or if you go for employment means employment in a company, practice means you are doing your own startup firm. In both the cases, the returns are very high. This much that I have from my side, and thank you to listening to me, and I hope maximum number of students will get to understand. If you have any queries or any doubt, if you want any clarification from our side, you can ask here only. We are here. If you have any queries, any doubt regarding how to join, what will be the course structure, how many papers, what will be the in-depth knowledge of the papers that is required, and how student from arts or science course can also join this professional course. Yes, it is all allowed. It's not that only commerce students can join this course. Both the science and arts and the commerce, that's obvious, can join this course. If you have any doubt, and if somebody's parents is also listening to us, they can also ask.
Yes. Okay, thank you, Janu.
Thank you.
So, see, you have heard the students, you have heard the faculties, and you are hearing me. I am CMA SS Das. I am a DGM Finance in Oil India Limited, and I am also from the founder member of this chapter, and I am taking classes also. I am also faculty here. Why I am interested to create CMS? Because Institute has given me enough in my life. Today, if I am drawing my bread and butter, it is because of the Institute of Cost Accountants of India. Without this certificate, I would have not come to this level. Why I am telling this story? I want to tell you one of my friend, very close friend. We both were studying together in my high school. We both went to college. He was a commerce student. I was a science student in +2. Then he went to BCom. Then I came to BCom after +2 science. We studied both in BCom. So he had more commercial knowledge than me, but I was not having that much commercial knowledge. But I struggled to cope up with him. We both graduated at the same time. He went for MCom and I went for doing my CMA. After 2 years, he completed his MCom and he joined in a company as an account supervisor. After some times, I qualified my CMA and I joined in a PSU as a management trainee, finance and accounts. Today, after 30 years, almost 30 years completed, since then, I completed in 91 June, so 29 years completed, and almost we have been separated. Today, one day he called me that due to the pandemic situation, his salary has become half. I was very shocked to see that he was getting around 50,000 rupees salary. You just imagine, my salary is around 3 lakh. My friend who was equal to me, his salary was 50,000 rupees. Now their company has reduced it to 25,000 rupees. Why I am telling you this? We both had put efforts, but our way where we put efforts was different. I put efforts for CMA, he puts effort in CMA, in MCom. That differentiated us today. After 30 years, my life is very comfortable and he is struggling to settle down even at the age of 55. This is the reality of life. You will not understand the value of education today. But after a long time, when you see you are not able to, like, you are putting more effort in cycle, but you are putting a very little effort in a scooty. You can go faster in the scooty, so have a scooty, don't have a cycle. That is what our request is. You choose a powerful course. Initially, you may have a little difficulties in doing the course, but once you complete the course, you are open to a very big world. Because of the diversity of the job nature, I could work in South India, like I have worked in Kerala, I have worked in Tamil Nadu, I have worked in Karnataka, I have worked in Delhi, I am working in Assam, and very confident that I can work in any part of the country. That gives the confidence level very high, and you all people, as I got the introduction of all of you, you all people are having that potential. Just don't ignore a bright future ahead of you. My sincere request to all of you, this course, it is a blessings by God for all the people from Northeast. Why I am telling you, no chapter is giving so much of thrust for educating, because do you know the government sectors, if you join also, we don't have any problem, our chapter will run. If you don't join also, there is no problem. But this chapter is very serious in building CMS. That even our head office also acknowledged. Our last 2 years back, the vice president of the institute has visited here. When he came to know that the 35th All India rank has produced from this chapter, when they came to know that our average of result is 40%, they want to know how we are teaching so that students are so much successful. So this was an example for all of them. When the pandemic situation came, everybody were thinking how to take online classes. And we are the one of the 8 chapters. There are 100 chapters. Only 8 chapters were doing online classes, and Duliajan chapter was one among them. All our faculties are not taking any fees for teaching. Just imagine if somebody is teaching free of cost, he will teach from their heart. That has helped the students to get the real education here. So that is, hope so this will continue for a long time. And we want to see everybody around us should join this course. This course is very cheap, as Mr. Janu also told. For foundation, it is only 1,000 rupees. You pay 1,000 rupees. With 1,000 rupees, you will be given 4 chapters books, and we will be teaching you around 2 months, online or offline, whatever may be the situation, and we will make you ready for the examinations. For intermediate, anybody who are graduates or who have passed the foundation, they can join the intermediate course. Intermediate course is having 2 groups. Group 1 having 4 papers and group 2 having 4 papers, so total 8 papers. But for these both 2 groups, 8 papers, you have to pay only 5,000 rupees. You deposit 5,000 rupees in the bank. Then whole course, 2.5 months and 4.5 months free coaching will complete your syllabus as per your requirements of the institute, and we will train you how to write the examination. Then after you complete your intermediate, you are eligible to join in the final. So first basic thing is that those who are doing +2, they have to go through a foundation course. It is just like one entrance examination. Nowadays, last time online it was done. You can very well, because the 4 subjects are there, already you are studying in your +2 level. I think law is the only new paper we will be teaching you. That's why I have brought law faculties to give you moral, so that don't fear about this difficult course. Everybody says it is difficult. When I was doing CMA also, I have seen people say it is very difficult, but I did not find that. And today also my students don't find that. They qualify in first attempt. Our student Tanushree, see how much percentage you had in +2? 80%. She had only 80% in +2. But many people were discouraging her. No, if you do this, your BCom will be spoiled. And that time we have given her confidence. Because of her study in CMA, she scored good marks in BCom. All the papers which you are teaching here, because we will be teaching a very in-depth level, which no BCom teacher will teach. That has helped her to score more marks in BCom. In fact, the BCom was benefited because of the CMA. So this is a synergy effect. If you study at a very early age, you are saving 3 precious years for your future earnings. That I have shown you in that video. If you are able to qualify at the age of 21, 22, you will be joining the industry very fast. So it will help you to earn more money at a later days. So that is the benefits of CMA. I would be happy if you have any questions. If you can just on your mic and ask one by one, we will clarify all your doubts. Students, you understood whatever I have told? You can on your mic. And
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
That's good. Now, if you have any doubt, please ask me. I am there to help you. And I want all of you to join this course. Seriously take this course. You qualify and tomorrow I want to see a very bright future for all of you. There is a definite situation of getting a very good employment if you do this course. This is not very difficult. Only thing is that you have to be honest to yourself. You have to study as per the requirement of the course. It is not a rocket science. You don't need any brilliancy. What you need is a dedicated efforts for a few years, which will give you the results. Today, these days, the course has become very simplified. We are giving you very excellent study notes. So anybody has any doubts, please ask me. No doubts?
What about CA? What are
Harsha Agrawala is asking what is my view on CA. See, the basic difference between a CA and CMA I am telling you. As far as job is concerned, for any companies, CA and CMA both are having equal job opportunities. Maybe CAs are specialized in finance, CMAs are specialized in cost and management. So that way both are 2 parallel courses, even though the course contents are same, but both are having 2 different visions. So Harsh, I hope your doubts are clear.
And professionally, there is no such a difference. In fact, no difference at all between CA or CMA. Professionally, both the Institute of Chartered Accountant Institute of CMA are under the statutory acts of Government of India.
Yes.
So Government of India sees both the course at equal length or at equal height. So some may
both are parallel.
Yes. Some may tell you that CAs are more equipped, or it's nothing like that. The course content of CMA is in fact more in depth than the course content of CA. So professionally, both are at equal level, and CS is a bit different, but there also at the same footage as far as Government of India is concerned. And can a class student do this course?
No, class 11 students actually they cannot do, because
they can prepare from here.
you keep in your mind, class 11 students, keep in your mind that you are going to do CMA. Once you qualify your +2.
No, once we appear for the +2, they can enroll the course.
Because the course will start only after +2. So if you at 11th stage also if you join, it will not help you too much. So we are advising that you join before your you join the course before January. Just you register with us before January, and your exams will be there up to March. After the exam, we will train you how to study for the foundation exam, and in June you write the exam, so that after exam, like your March to June, you are productively using your time for completing this foundation course.
Yes, sir.
That is the best time management, so that you can save another session. 6 months. Every 6 months you will have exams. All the exams, intermediate or final or anything, every 6 months you will have.
Next question, Dipanita Hazarika. Sir, if we do CMA course, is it necessary to do BCom, or it will be in the same? It's not necessary to do BCom, but it's always better to do BCom. If you prepare yourself for CMA, automatically.
No, it's like that. What Mr. Janu is telling. It is not necessary to wear a banyan under the shirt. It is like BCom is like a underwear, undergarment, and shirt is on that. If you wear that and this, you will be more secure. So BCom is also required, because everybody will ask for what is your degree. You will say I am BCom, but your main powerful degree is your CMA. That's why once you do this course of CMA, BCom doing will be very easy for you. That's why you can do both.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
The best time to get into this course, it's better to join after 12 or after BCom.
No, I will personally say if you want to join this course, join after 12. Like Tanushree. Tanushree has completed intermediate, even though her BCom is not complete. By that, she has saved 3 years time. If you are, after you suppose at the age of 18 you are completing 12th, 3 years you are taking BCom, so at the age of 21 you are starting your professional course. But here if you start at the age of 18, these 3 years you can complete intermediate. So that is why I will advise you, don't waste time. Time matters, because your friend has joined from +2 and you are joining after 3 years. When both are going to the job market, she is already qualified, so she will get a better chance to job than you. So always they prefer who is young, they hire them, because young people are more dynamic. That's why to be dynamic and to be in the market, to be joining at the young age, it is better, because your mind can do any type of load. Don't worry about the load. You at the age of 18 you are at your best. You can study anything. Just you need a guidance.
So actually, I want to add something more. The question was, is it better to join after 12 or after BCom?
Yes.
But I'm just slightly changing the question. What is the best time to join the course?
Yes.
The best time is after 12.
After 12. You can join after BCom. No, see, I have joined after BCom. Why I am telling you, I did this course. I was not having the knowledge that I can join after 12th. Only when I was doing my graduation, somebody told after graduation you can do CMA. So I joined with CMA, and this information was not available with me. But today this information specifically we are bringing to you. That's why we call all 12th standard students. But at the same time, those who have completed BCom, for them also this is no problem. Like they are also in a very equal footing. They can also do better job. They can also do. But still, a student, if getting the opportunity to do after 12, he should do.
Next, how much total time required in this course?
See, total time required is theoretically, if you ask me, it is 3 years. But it depends upon how fast you complete the course. If you qualify, like Tanushree has done in 1 year, intermediate.
Chiranjit.
Chiranjit has done in 2.5 years. I did in 2.5 years when I studied. And it is all how you must say, somebody takes 4 years, somebody takes 5 years, doesn't matter. But the earliest you prepare better, you will earliest qualify.
And after qualifying also, no need to worry at all.
And after qualifying also, in the course of teaching, we will try to improve your personality. Like you may be qualified, but if you are not smart enough to face the market, face the requirement of the interviews, you may not get a better job. So we will be grooming you how to develop your personality. We are conducting some soft skill development classes also along with the oral coaching. That will help you to build up yourself for the job markets.
Sir, how can we register for this course, that is CMA? How can you do CMA? Yes, you can do CMA and BCom together. No need to any no problem at all. And to register the CMA course, you are here, the Duliajan chapter. You just come to our Duliajan chapter. The DPS office is at DPS Duliajan, and we'll guide you about the registration.
Students, I can give my mobile number. Please note down. My mobile number is.
No, sir, I will write here.
I will write here my mobile number.
And I'm a bio student from science stream. Can I take CMA? Yes, you can always take CMA. It's no worry at all. Reading in class 12 and.
See, I tell you, science students, what is the benefit of science students?
How to convince our parents? Any advice?
Yes, please. If we sometimes you can bring conference, do conference with your parents, we will help them. Myself, I was studying plus 2 science. I will tell you my story of my studies. I was a science student because my father wanted. I was a good student. He go to science. In science, I got 53% of marks. My total mark was 53. But I was interested in economics. I was interested in mathematics. Only thing was not interested for me is physics and chemistry. I got 35% each. So I just miserably passed those 2 subjects. But I got 75% in economics and 70% in maths and 70% in. But my aggregate was 53%. That means I was made to go for commerce. I was forced to study science. There are many students who do science. They study because their parents force them to study. When you are studying something which is of your interest, I am sure you will do better there. And many of our faculties, like our one of our rank holder who now transferred to Delhi, he is a BSc graduate. He did after BSc. Like our secretary Gautam Maji, he was a BSc student. He did a CMA after BSc because science students have a very good background of analytical mind. If they come to commerce, they also will do equally good. It's a new course. Just we will be training. We will be giving you the all details how the course is, and regarding subject matter, you have nothing to worry. We will make you very conversant with the subject.
In fact, the president of this institute was also initially a science graduate. Then he pursued. And
see, I am telling you, Shivanga has asked whether I can register after 12th final. But I will request you, don't wait up to, because last date for registration is January. If you are registering after March, one session you are losing. So what you do, register now. Before December you register. Only when we will be starting the classes after your exams are over.
This question, can we do CMA and BCom simultaneously?
Yes, CMA and CMA. That's why I have given you one example. Tanushree is doing CMA and BCom together, and she is successful. How much is your BCom semester marks so far?
68%.
She scored more than 70, around 68 to 70% in BCom. So it's not there is no difficulties for doing both the courses together. You can do the courses.
And these are different in different places or same? Initially there's discount for any students.
I was telling you about fees. Only for Northeast, specifically only for Northeast states. Like there are 3 chapters, Guwahati, Agartala and Duliajan. There are 3 chapters in Northeast. If you join in the 3 chapters, fees is 1,000 for foundation, Whereas all over rest of the India, fees is 4,000 rupees. There is 75% fee cut. And for intermediate, the fees is only 5,000 rupees. But students from rest of the India, the fees is 20,000 rupees. Across the, all over, means across the place, everywhere you find, the fees is like this. I will show you the fees. You can see the fees. This is the standard fees. Here you see, can you see? Foundation is 4,000, intermediate is 20,000, final is 17,000. But as a special concession fees, we are giving you the course. Foundation 1,000 rupees, final intermediate is 5,000 rupees.
That is only for chapters of Northeast India.
For Northeast chapters, and we are the leading chapter to announce about this. No other chapter is doing any homework to bring this information to students. We are doing this because we know students' hardship and they are earning, their money matters. But this scheme will not be there for a long time. It is only for a specific period. Before the period lapses, anytime the management, the government of India, the institute may withdraw the scheme. So I am requesting you register before the scheme is taken away. Take advantage of this. We are, chapter is not getting any financial benefit or financial aid from this. We are only promoting this scheme.
So what is the time period of the scheme?
That is why it is
there is no scheme.
See,
this is not a scheme.
This is given from the government of India. Anytime institute may say when the pandemic is over, the classes are regular, our costs are more, so the free waiver has been taken back. That situation has not come yet. We are expecting at least this batch up to December people should get the benefit. But if you want to join, why delay? Those who are in final semester BCom also, my request to them is that please join immediately, because you are writing the BCom or you have completed BCom, immediately you can join the course and you will get the benefit of 5,000 rupees for intern and 1,000 for foundation. Okay, any other questions?
What is the procedure to register?
Okay, I'll tell you. The procedure to register is that you have to contact me, because I may tell you something again you forget. You note down my number. I had given you in this chat number. I am telling the number again. All people can note down 8638 192288. 8638 192288. This number you can give me a call, or you can ask me to convince your parents. I can talk to your parents. Also, you can contact our office. If those who are from Duliajan, they can visit our office any day, any other than Sundays and holidays. 3:30 to 7:30 we are opening the office. You will be given a challan, and you will be given the challan to fill up and deposit in the bank. This 1,000 rupees for foundation or 5,000 rupees for intermediate, you have to deposit in the bank. Then after the challan is updated, we will call you for admission with certain documents. Okay, that is not a big issue. Only thing that you have to make up your mind to join this course. Many students, many parents will tell you it is a very difficult course, don't join. But don't be carried away with that type of concepts. You have confidence on yourself, and you just like you are doing on any other course, this course you do. Only thing that here only serious students will pass. Those students who are serious on studies, they have passed. We have seen in the past also. Those who are sincere in class, those who attend the classes, those who understand the concepts and ask questions, they will pass. No doubt, no reason why they will fail. Okay. So any other questions? Students, if you all are happy, I will request everybody to open your cameras. So we want to take a group photos from all of you. Just we want to see all of you open up your cameras. Any other questions, please ask. Very nice to see some of the smiling faces. So you please, anybody want to share your experience? You can speak now. Anybody want to speak something? How did you like this or your experience? What do you expect from us? Otherwise, I will ask Sunaina Pradhan.
Sir, thank you for your advices. It was very useful.
Yes, thank you. Yes, Sunaina, you can say something.
Thank you, sir. It was a wonderful experience. I'm looking forward to register soon.
Very nice, very nice. Saurabh, you say a few words.
Thank you, sir. It was very
Motivating.
yes, sir.
Okay, that's great. I want you all people should be successful, and commerce students, they can do wonders. Nobody should underestimate any commerce students. This is the age of the commerce students. Now you know what is the fate of all science students. So commerce students, if we are united together, we can do so many good jobs. Okay, now we'll take a group photo. All can smile. Another group photo will take. So any other doubts, you can always call us. But my sincere request is convince your parents to pay only 1,000 rupees to the bank and join this foundation course before January. Okay. Then you can continue your studies, and once your enrollment is over, we will call you when your exams are over. Only we will take you for the classes. Okay, Avinash will send you the link. So thank you everybody for your time. Thanks all to the respective schools and institutions who have given you the information. With a very short notice, we could arrange this program. And I am thankful to all of you, all my friend Janu, Tanushree and Chiranjit, Sasi, those who have made this program a successful one. Thank you one and all.
Thank you, sir.